Okay, hello everyone, how are you? Okay, I hope that everyone okay and but teacher feel like a little bit so hot today. Okay, what about you? I think you are the same me also, right? Okay, but at least everyone stay safe at home. So thank you everyone for today. We are come to study English with teacher again. But today we are going to learn about the lesson that teacher would like to show you that in the school. eh, what the thing that we have to have in the school that we have to bring to school and we study at school also in the class. So now today we are going to study lesson 1 and about my school. So what is my school, everyone? So my school is something that teacher would like to show you some word that relate with the class. So the thing that what in the class have. So I know that everyone knows some word already in our word, but teacher would like to teach you about English word today. Now let's go, everyone. So before we start, teacher would like to show you one word that there's one vocabulary. Okay, so we have to learn about this one. So number one, what is it? So let me just show you this picture. Everyone look at this. So what is it? Can you see teacher picture card here? Yeah, maybe you see it. And you always use this one at school, right? So this one teacher always asks you to do something like quiz, like test, a little bit test, like short test. Okay, so this one we call that paper. Okay, got it? So say with me, paper. Alright, I'm sorry. So paper. Alright? This one we call paper, everyone. Look, so teacher will stick this picture for you because I don't want to explain you more, but I just would like to show you picture. Okay, so it's easy for you because everyone got in level 1, so easy to understand, right? So but teacher need to explain you some the meaning also, right? The paper that we always use, like teacher give you test, so teacher give you paper, something like that. Okay, now one more one teacher would like to show you what the thing that you need it for write down, like what's that, you have to write when teacher give you the lesson like this and you need that one to write it down. Yeah, that one, yeah, here. Okay, look at this picture, can you see? So this one we call that books, or we can say that notebook, right? Okay, so okay everyone, so this one we call that book. Okay. So here, book, B-O-O-K. Okay, so here the picture. Actually, teacher, I'm sorry, teacher confused at the moment. Teacher say that the thing that you have to copy down the lesson, but this one, I'm sorry, this one we call that the book that have lesson in it and you read it. Okay, so we call that book. Okay, I'm sorry because teacher is confused with the picture. I think that the picture is that one. No, I'm sorry. Now one more is here everyone. Look at this picture. Can you see teacher picture here in my hands? Yeah, this one, right? So this one we call that pencil. So everyone always use pencil to write down, right? To write down the word, to write down the sentence, okay, into your notebook. Okay, so this one we call that pencil, everyone. So okay, so pencil. All right, so pencil. But did you have more? Okay. Yes, so this one also like we use with pencil, everyone. When you have mistake and everyone always use that one to erase it. What is that? Okay, look at this. What is this? Yes, this one we call that eraser. Okay, eraser. Okay, good. Maybe everyone know this word already. Okay, so this one we call that eraser, everyone. Okay, eraser. All right. So Now we have 4 words already, everyone, look, okay? Number 1 is, what is that? Read with teacher. Paper, okay, look, this one we call paper. Number 2, book. Yeah, the book for you read the lesson that you have, okay? Number 3, what is this? Yeah, pencil, okay? You use to write down, okay? Yes, okay, so this one we call that eraser, right? When you have mistake, you always use eraser to erase it, right? But I hope that everyone don't have mistake, when especially in your test or in your quiz, because I don't want everyone to waste your time, because you know when everyone do the test, you have to because we have a limit time. That's why please study hard, and but that's okay, everyone need to have eraser, okay? Now I want one more. Yes, that one is we use when the pencil is like no more to rise or broke, something like that, and then you use that one to do it, to have one more to write. So like one, that's one we call that. Did you know that one? Look at this picture. Teacher show you. Okay, do you see teacher picture here? All right. So this one we call that sharpener. Okay, sharpener. Okay. So number 5, teacher have the word sharpener. Okay, sharpener. Okay, everyone, this one is letter R. Okay, sharpener. Okay, you got it. Oh, how many words that we have today, everyone? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already. Teacher have only a 4 more words that I would like to show you about the thing that we use in school. So one more one here, this one. So you look at this picture. What is it? Yes, ruler, right? Very good. So yes, so we go to number 6 now. Ruler. All right. So yes, ruler, everyone. Okay. Now teacher have one more word. That teacher always use it here. That teacher always use this one to write. What is it, everyone? You know this one, right? But teacher have picture also here. Look. Okay. Here. What is it? Yes, this one we call that marker, right? Read after me. Marker. Very good. Okay. So we have number 7 now. All right. Marker. Okay. Alright, marker. So we use marker to write a thing on the board. That teacher always use this one. Actually, teacher have a blue marker and red marker, but today teacher use only blue marker, everyone. So now, one thing that everyone always use to put the thing like this one, pencil, eraser, sharpener, ruler, and marker, and you keep all the thing in that one. What is that? Can you guess? What is that, everyone? Yes, maybe everyone know that. That one we call that. No, it's not a bag. Okay, it's not a bag. Okay, this one, smaller than bag. Okay, what is it? Yes. Okay, this one we call that pencil case. Okay, so this is number 8, everyone. So we call that. Wait a minute. Pencil case. Okay, so this one we call that pencil case. All right. See, so you put the pencil, eraser, sharpener, ruler, and marker in pencil case, right? To keep it nicely when you want to get it when you are studying. So you get only pencil case, so you can open it and you can see all the things that you need to write down the lesson, okay, into your notebook. Now, only last word, what can you guess? Yes, that one is the thing that you always carry it. You always carry it. Okay, you know it, right? Okay, so that one we call that. Okay, what is it? Okay, everyone know what it is? So, this one we call that bag. Okay, so bag. So we always put the thing like book, reading book, notebook, pens, pencil, eraser, yeah, everything in your bag, right? Or we can say one other backpack also, but teacher only say bag only. So yes, thank you everyone. So now you have to read with me with this word together, okay? So our lesson is lesson 1, so about my school. So my school, it means that the thing that you have to bring to school to study, right? When you go to the class, if you don't have this thing, how can you study? All right? How can you study with teacher? Now let's read after teacher. Okay. Lesson 1, my school. Okay. Vocabulary number 1. Read after me. Okay. Paper. Again, please. Paper. All right. Number 2, book. Again, book. Okay. Number 3, what is it? Pencil. Read louder, please. Okay. Pencil. Very good. Number 4, number 4, what is it? Okay. Eraser. Read again louder. Eraser. Okay. Number 5, what's number 5? Yeah. Sharpener. Read again. Read louder. Sharpener. Yeah. Okay. Good. Now let's move to number 6, everyone. Number 6. Yes. Number 6. What is it? Ruler. Read again. Ruler. All right. Number 7. Marker. Okay. Read again. Marker. All right. Number 8. Number 8. I'm sorry. What is it? Yeah. Pencil case. Again, please. Pencil case. Okay. Number 9, everyone. Now, what is number 9? Is the last one in for our word today is bag. Bag. Okay. So I hope that everyone understand the lesson and enjoy it. But teacher encourage you to read again and again and practice more. At least you can, and you can remember all these words. So the next lesson, teacher will review this lesson again. Okay. So thank you everyone. Goodbye and see you in the next lesson. Okay.